What's happening? So, you've seen the shoes. I showed them to you and give you another look. And so I'm gonna be trying to clean these, try to get this look off of them. Like whoever, they said it in the captions, they said it in the description, so I'm not mad when I bought them. They said somebody tried to clean them or something and messed them up. So I'm gonna see if I can kind of reverse this. I'm gonna try to clean them. I don't know what kind of solution they put on these. They smell chemically. I don't know. But so videos I have seen clean suede is just use some dishwashing liquid and water, warm water. So that's what I have, and I'm gonna try to use that and clean these. So you just clean them normally, then you let them dry or whatever. And should, if they just dirty, but I don't know if this is just dirt, could be something else, but I'm gonna try to clean these and see if this is positive. So without further ado, probably gonna end up speeding this up a little bit. This is going slow. This is going very slow. Trying to get a lather and stuff. It's just, but probably speed it up and then show you afterwards if there was some improvement or not. But enough talking. So there's one shoe down. I don't know how positive that's gonna be. I'm gonna let that dry, put that out and let it dry, work on the next one. See if it works. Right, so these are what they looking like. I've cleaned them, so I'm just leaving them sit out in the sun for a little while. I gotta go run to the post office, go mail some stuff. So shit, it's like 90 something degrees out here, so I don't think this is gonna take too long. But maybe by the time I come back, they should be about dry. See if there's an improvement. I'm gonna look at the old footage and look at this and see if they have improved from what they were. We'll see. Man, I've been all over with these shoes. This the last thing that I'm gonna do is I will put a little baby oil on them. I got some baby oil gel, but I don't want to put the gel on them. What I did, it really didn't break it down too much, but I put it in some water and just stir it up a little bit, try to thin it out some. And I already applied a little bit right here on the toe. I just want to try and get that, like they got some parts where it's like excessive ash where the previous owner messed the shoe up. So I'm just gonna brush over it just a little. I just want to darken them up just a little bit. So this the only thing I'm doing, just applying just try to get them. I don't want to have like that baby all gel like all on them and stuff. That's why I tried to thin it out, because it's already bad enough that it's suede, but then plus that, man, all kind of stuff will be sticking to these shoes. So, but I'm not gonna wear them for a while. So this will be dry by then. But hopefully it just darkens them up on certain spots. Just try to make them look a little more decent. Really, that was the worst part right there, was that toe. That toe was really, really bad. But I already kind of went over that. So I'm just gonna kind of go lightly over like this part of the shoe and stuff, and try to darken it up a little bit. I don't know, I'm in experiment mode. Like, it's $90 and stuff, so I'm not ruining the shoe. It's just either it's gonna just stay the same or it's gonna get better. It ain't gonna get any worse. Then I have some stain. If it would get better, I got some stain or the water spray with it to put on them. So I might spray some of that on them. Try to keep stains off of water damage. I've been playing with these shoes all day. I can't talk. I'm messing with shoes. So this is a little bit afterwards. They still go pretty. They still kind of damp, but try to get a good view or whatever. See the toe, that's pretty. That's still damp and stuff, but it look darker than they did before. Shit, I guess I'll extend this video and wait. I'll probably put them outside for like an hour and wait to see if after they dry up, if they go back to how they were or if they stay kind of dark. We gonna see. Okay, so time passed, and I'm not in the hood or anything, so I'm not necessarily worried about getting jacked, but I'd rather they not get jacked. So let me grab these shoes, and so a little time has passed. Let's bring these into the sun. Let's see if they have changed a little bit. That's what they look like. They do look a little darker. You can kind of see like where the suede is it's kind of the texture of it is different, but the color of it isn't bad like it was. But the color of it is pretty good now. But shit, they look way better now. From that, they looking like I think it's an improvement from what they were. Like now you can kind of do the suede test on them and stuff on some parts. Yeah. Shit, they shook back compared to how they were. And my hands, they not like real greasy from that baby oil or whatever. But I think they straight shit. I'm gonna be rocking them, but just wanted to do something, mess around. And this video has been way longer than it should have been, because I've been going back and forth between both videos and doing footage and finishing and then going back and tweaking and stuff. So, shit, like, comment, subscribe, be the greatest of the most hated.